It's giving bald, it's giving Rufus, it's giving, you know, it's just not giving.
Yeah, sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay subscribed and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. Here over on my channel, I show you how to be your baddest bitch at an affordable cost, and today we are talking faux lash extensions. That's right, faux lash extensions. If you guys are anything like me, I hate sitting down or laying down for that matter to get lash extensions done. It takes forever. Oh my god, like, I've been seeing this hack and this trend go around for a long time, probably for like a year or two now, but I've always been too afraid to try it. But you guys see the material, like, it's giving lash extension. It looks really good. I want to try with a fuller pair eventually, but right now these are like my go-to. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I did my faux lash extensions in less than 10 minutes, keep watching. All right, so bear with me because I need both hands to do this. The girls who can do it with just one hand, y'all are my heroes. I'm not there yet, but y'all see just like the difference that this makes. Like, when I look at this eye, it's giving bald, it's giving Rufus, it's giving, you know, it's just not giving. But then we look here and she looks more awake, she looks more, you know. So obviously the lashes that I am using, I already have them open, but I just want to show you guys what a fresh pack of them look like. If you are not new to my channel, you know I absolutely love these I Envy by Kiss lashes in the style 01. When I get my lash extensions done, I like to take a picture of my, either the pack of lashes, I'll bring them with me, or I'll show the lash tech a photo of like what the lashes look like that I like to wear, because your girl, I don't like them big, thick broomsticks, hard, crunched and curled lashes. Give me a nice, natural, wispy lash and call it a day. You take your lash out the packet. I've obviously already been wearing these, but you always want to make sure that you move from the end of the lash to take everything off. Personally, whenever I'm reusing lashes, because this is going up under my eye, I just like to look and make sure I don't see like any like white lint or anything close to the lash line. I'm using some tweezers. Y'all know normally whenever I do like my lashes on top, I use these tweezers. I will have both of those linked down below in the description box just in case you want to purchase a pair. So for this particular look though, I like to use just my regular tweezers. Whenever I'm doing it under the lash line, I like a fresh batch of lash glue. I don't want any type of clump, nothing to it, just so that way the adhesive goes on super thin and almost like watery instead of sticky and tacky. So this is the lash glue that I'm using. It's just Duo. So you see how the lash band, normally, you know, you will put it behind and a little bit on top so you can lift it up. You're literally just going to do the exact opposite. So since I am putting this under my lash, you want to run the lash glue across the front of the band. Make it super thin. I like to let it get just a little bit tacky before I apply it. And like I told you guys, I need both hands. So I actually have this like mirror right here that I'm looking into, so that way I can see. So hopefully you guys can see the gist of it. This is the eye that always gives me a problem. That's why I went ahead and just did this off camera. But now that the glue is starting to dry down, I'm going to literally just lift my lid. And as you guys can see, like, you don't want to put this on the skin because that can definitely irritate it. You want to attach the lash to the lash hair. And I'm gonna try to make sure that I cut in with the camera so you guys can see me doing it. Placement, I don't know if y'all can see up under my eye though. And then after I'm done placing it, just to make sure that band isn't sitting on that skin under my lash line, I literally just take my tweezers and I like to just squeeze the lash band. And there you have it, faux lash extensions. I am super happy that I started doing this technique. It just makes you look more alive. It is safe enough to sleep in it. I actually ended up taking a nap on accident yesterday, and I woke up, my eyes weren't irritating, everything felt fine. My skin is improving, so it's very much going to be a skin, lashes, and lip gloss or Carmex kind of summer. Period. I probably, let me not say I won't ever get lash extensions again, but I definitely I'm not pressed to get them now that I know how this method looks, and it just looks so natural. Like, I'm gonna close my eyes so you guys can see just like how blended it makes like the lashes look. So literally when I open and close my eyes, they feel fine. It's not like weird feeling or anything, and I think that that was probably the main thing that I was concerned about. But as you guys can see, like, the lashes look so natural because obviously my actual lashes are covering up the lash band. This is the final look. This is what we're trying to give this summer, just very crystal clear, clean. And baby, when these blemishes get off my face, you're not gonna be able to tell me nothing. It's giving brows, lashes, and gloss this summer, and that's just period. So I just wanted to come and close this video out for you guys. I will have the lashes that I use down below in the description box. I will also have the links to their Instagram. This is not a sponsored video. I literally use these lashes all the time, so I envy if you see this. Holla at your girl, because you know, where my lash box bag at? Like, you know what I'm saying? We use her around here. I love these lashes. So if you guys, even if you don't want to try this hack but you're looking for really good lashes, definitely check out I Envy by Kiss. You can definitely get them from like your local drugstore. I know Amazon sells them, and like a few other little spots. They're super affordable. They last a long time. I get more than I know, probably 20 wears out of them. Honestly, personally, with these lashes, I feel like the more you wear them, the more wear and tear on them, the more natural they look, and they just chef's kiss. So that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.